In a time before time, in a world unseen, lived creatures of all kinds, each unique and serene. A tiny creature, a simple little thing. In the quiet of the night, its journey would begin. This creature, named Pip, was small and humble, living life as simple as a feather in a tumble. One day, Pip gazed at the stars, its eyes wide and bright, wishing for a change, seeking new light. From the depths of the earth, a seed emerged. A tiny seed, with limitless and unsurpassed worth. Pip, with curiosity, picked it up and held. A connection formed, a bond, a story to be told. The seed, it whispered, grow, Pip, and learn. Inside me, the power to transform. Pip, with courage, planted it deep within. And the world began to spin. Days turned to weeks, weeks to months. Pip was changing, it could no longer stunt. Its body grew, its heart swelled, its mind expanded too. Each day brought a new understanding, a new point of view. One day, Pip found a friend, a tiny bird named Bee. They played together, their friendship grew like a tree. Bee showed Pip the skies, the sun, the moon. Taught Pip to fly, to soar, to bloom. As Pip continued to grow, it learned to adapt and cope. Understanding change was a vital part of life's scope. One day, Pip looked at the world, now standing tall, and realized then that growth was not a fall. From that day forth, Pip lived with grace, embracing life's changes, both big and small. And so, the seed's tale spread, a lesson learned. A reminder to all that growth can be earned. Moral: embrace change, for it is a part of life's grand design. In growth, we find beauty, wisdom, and time. For every seed we plant, every challenge we face, is a step towards greatness, a wondrous evolution, a marvelous space.